Hey guys, it's been 2 weeks and I wanted to share with you what the results are from using the Solawave Advanced Skincare Wand plus the Conductive Serum. Now you can purchase these products together as a kit on their website, solawave.co, or you can get them separately if you'd prefer that. But let's go ahead and talk about this wand. It's amazing. It boosts skin's glow, fades blemishes and fine lines, amplifies serums and moisturizers, and reveals a youthful radiance, which I definitely need. But it is an advanced skincare tool that combines 4 powerful dermatological technologies together for the first time for an at-home use, with microcurrent, red light therapy, therapeutic warmth, and facial massage. It's also rechargeable, portable, and comes in a range of colors like this one, which is the ombre option, but they do have rose gold and matte black, and it retails for $149 on its own. But we also have the Conductive Serum, which I'd like to talk about. So I live by serums. I use them all the time, so I'm super excited to try this one out. What it does is amplifies your Solawave wand with our incredibly hydrating signature Renew Complex Serum formulated with blue tansy, hyaluronic acid, and all natural aloe vera. And fortunately, it is 1 ounce for $32. That's a really good price for a serum. So now in this video, I'm going to share with you what I do with these products on the daily. I take the serum after I have cleaned my face and warm it up in my fingers and kind of just massage it into my clean skin from the center outwards in circular motions, gentle, not aggressive at all, but making sure that the product is massaged into the skin, face, and neck. And that's what it looks like. Then I'm going to take the Solawave wand, and as you can see, all it takes is some heat to activate it. You can use it in this eye vertical option, which I like to use under the eyes, but I actually prefer it horizontal, which is the T-bar way. But after using these 2 skincare products together, I've been seeing a difference after 14 days. My skin's more vibrant, it's more lifted, it's youthful, I haven't gotten any pimples or anything, and I'm just super pleased with the outcome. Thank you so much to Solawave for these products and letting me try them out. I do want to mention that I do have other videos if you want to check them out. Subscribe to my channel. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other playlists. I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.